What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image creatively in Miro. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to your Miro's website by just typing miro.com to your browser search bar. And after that, you need to log in with your account. And when you are welcome to the home page of Miro, from here on the left side, you need to click on blank board. And after clicking on blank board, click on create team board. And then the blank board will be loaded. Now, after coming to the blank board, on the left side, you can see multiple icons and tools. From here, you need to go to the bottom and then click on this plus icon, which is this tools, media, and integration. When you click here, you need to scroll down a bit, wherein when you scroll down, you will see the option of images and icons. Click on this and then you can find and add images like this. Let's say I want this one, 3D render images. From here, I'll choose this one, and when I drag it and drop it here, as you can see, I have added this image to my Miro board. And if you have your own image, you can just click on images and icons, and then you can just input your own image. Or if you want to add some icons, you can browse from these icons and then add whatever icon you'd like. And as you can see, I like this icon, Instagram icon. I'll just click on this logo and then I will just drag anywhere I want and drop it wherever I want to drop it. So this is how you can add images to your Miro board. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.